Hi, my name is Lacey Wolf, and I'm the Health Promotion Administrator at Employees Retirement System of Texas. As a Health Select participant, you have access to many programs to help you stay healthy, including Blue Points. With the Blue Points program, you can earn points for doing healthy activities, which can then be redeemed for items including fitness gear, wearable technology, and even camping equipment. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to access, earn, and spend your Blue Points. We're going to start out on the healthselectoftexas.com homepage. This is the website for Health Select Medical Plan participants. From the homepage in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on Login. If you've logged in here before, you'll enter your username and password, and then you'll click the green Login button. If you've never registered, you're going to click on Register Now and walk through the steps to set up your account. You'll want to make sure you have your medical ID card handy when you're registering. If you have any trouble registering for your account or accessing your Blue Access for Members portal, you can call a Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas personal health assistant at the number on the back of your ID card, and they'll be happy to help you. From your Blue Access for Members portal, when you click on Login, you'll be taken to the portal, and from here, you can access all types of information, including your coverage and claims, and even find providers in your area. To access your Blue Points, which is what we're here for, you're going to come down to Quick Links, and the third link down, you'll see Well on Target. When you click on Well on Target, that will take you to your Well on Target dashboard. On your Well on Target dashboard, you can see your Blue Points in the upper right-hand corner. It looks like I currently have 4,262 Blue Points. There's a lot of great information in Well on Target, and there are a lot of ways for you to earn Blue Points by doing activities within Well on Target. One of the easiest ways to earn Blue Points is by completing your online health assessment, which is worth 2,500 Blue Points. The health assessment takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete and asks a series of questions about your lifestyle and health habits, and it will provide you an overall assessment of your current health status. You can complete the health assessment every 6 months, which means you can earn up to 5,000 Blue Points per year by doing this one simple activity. Completing the health assessment every 6 months can also help you track the trends in your overall health and well-being. And based off how you answered the questions in your health assessment, you'll notice that your Well on Target dashboard becomes personalized with activities and programs to help you on your personal health journey. Whether it's losing weight, maintaining weight, or even getting more sleep, there are lots of self-management programs within this portal that you can complete to earn more Blue Points. So when you're ready to get in the store to actually spend your points, you're going to come up to the right-hand side of the screen and you're going to click on Redeem, which will take you to the Rewards Program store. In the store, you can browse through all of the available items and narrow down your search by category and set minimum and maximum point values based on the number of Blue Points you have. It's important to note that Health Select participants can earn an unlimited amount of Blue Points, but can only redeem just over 17,000 points every calendar year, which is about $99 worth of value. Points roll over from year to year, they never expire, but the number of points you can redeem is limited to avoid tax issues because it could be seen as extra income. As I mentioned earlier, when browsing items, you can search for things based on the number of points they cost. If you're really close but you don't have quite enough points, you can also supplement for any missing points by paying a little bit of money out of pocket. I hope this video was a useful explainer for this great program for Health Select participants. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at wellness@ers.texas.gov. Thank you so much and have a great day.